Oh yeah. Okay, so that must be the team right there. Oh, hold on. Who's on the table like that? Okay. Look like they all have a cool little dynamic. Oh, especially if they go on bowling and shit. Ooh, okay. Oh, damn. Boy getting that king treatment. I'm getting kind of jealous. Whoa. Bro, this anime about to be so hyped. Oh, yeah. Oh, these action scenes about to go insane. I'm sorry if I'm yelling, but I don't give a fuck. I'm so hyped for this. And the blood and gore, bro. I'm not trying to be creepy or anything, but that's my favorite type of action right there. Bro, this action is crazy. Oh man, MAPPA don't be messing with these openings. Woo! The boy look kind of cold. Oh yeah, top tier. I don't care if I'm dick sucking.